Kukhunjulwa lo wayengumengameli wophiko lwentsha le-ANC uPeter Mokaba. Iphini likamengameli we-ANC uDavid Mabuza, amalungu esigungu esiphezulu se-ANC kanye nethimba le-National Youth Task Team bahloniphe lo ongasekho ngokuvakashela ekhaya lomndeni wakhe ukuyobheka izimbali ethuneni. uMabuza uyale intsha ukuba yakhe kabusha lombutho iphinde ibuyise inkazimulo yokuqala yeqembu.
Go and build the structures of the ANC Youth League. That is a commitment that we are making here. That from here, you'll go and build those structures. And the commitment again that we're making is that in those meetings, in those branch meetings, in those conferences, no one should die.
Iphini likamengameli we-ANC liphinde lagcizelela ukuthi kunesidingo sokubuyisa i-ANC kanye nokuqedanya ngenkohlakalo. Lokho kuza emva nje kwezinsuku ukukhishwa umbiko wokuqala wekhomishana ebiphenya ngezinto zokugamandwa kwamandla ombuso nothinte amanye amalungu e-ANC.
We are going to rebuild and renew our movement. We are going to get rid of all rogue elements within the movement.
Ngesikhathi kukhunjulwa iqhaza likaMokaba i-National Youth Task Team ithi angeke kwenzeke ubulungiswa ngesikhumbuzo sikaMokaba uma bengayi engqungqutheleni yokukhetha ubuholi bentsha eyayikade ilindelekile.
The task that we have right now is a similar task, by the way, that was given to the likes of Peter Mokaba in 1991 when they were tasked with re-establishing the youth league in the country. We are at that moment again in 2022, and as we said when we spoke earlier on today, that we dare not fail on that task.
i-ANC Youth League iya engqungqutheleni kuyokukhetha ubuholi kulo nyaka kanti i-NYTT ifisa ukubona kuqokwa intsha ezikhundleni zobuholini.